New York. Home to some of the country's most vibrant landscapes, and some of nature's most awe-inspiring creations, there's more than enough adventure to go around in the staggeringly beautiful and elegantly diverse Empire State. From massive city skyscrapers and fantastical monuments to rolling tree-covered hills, striking farmland vistas, and calmingly placid lakes, New York is a breathtaking adventure that calls to intrepid travelers from around the world. Visitors can enjoy some of the world's best entertainment avenues and historically famed sites in the nation's most densely populated metropolitan hub. Or escape the concrete jungles and get lost in the spectacularly colored landscapes and distinguished national and state parks. New York is a monumental experience all its own. Join us as we explore and discover 10 of the best places to visit in the phenomenal and intoxicating Empire State. 1. New York City. You can't talk about New York without thinking of the Big Apple. With more than 65 million visitors yearly, this mega metropolitan hub is at the top of many bucket lists. From its historic and culturally unique districts to its famed architecture and towering city skyscrapers, the mystique and elegance of one of the world's most renowned cities is an adventure vacation experience unlike any other. Being the most populated city in the United States, with nearly 9 million residents, the streets are paved with opportunity and adventure. With more than 40,000 shops and restaurants across the city boroughs, and boasting numerous sports stadiums, entertainment arenas, and more, the possibilities are endless, so the city never sleeps. Located in the heart of Manhattan, the New York City Central Park is a fantastical slice of nature for city residents and tourists to enjoy at any time of year. With both summer and winter recreational features, the park is boasted as one of the city's main attractions for visitors and locals alike, and calls to more than 40 million people annually. The Big Apple is your perfect jumping-off point into the spectacular beauty and historical culture of the Empire State's vibrant country. 2. Niagara Falls State Park. This spectacular set of waterfalls at the border of Ontario, Canada, and northwestern New York is an absolutely breathtaking experience. With more than 6 million cubic feet of water cascading over the 167-foot falls every 60 seconds during peak hours, visitors are advised to bring a raincoat on this once-in-a-lifetime adventure to one of the country's most revered state parks. The sounds of crashing waters and the immense display of power formed by the Niagara Gorge is a staggeringly surreal experience that visitors can get up close and personal with on one of the park's boat ride tours that take you right up to the mouth of Horseshoe Falls. With more than 30 million visitors yearly, this iconic wonder of the world is an experience on any intrepid traveler's list. 3. Hudson River Valley. One of the often overlooked features of the great state of New York is the farmland agriculture, found abundantly among the lush forested landscapes along the Hudson River. With its rich agricultural touch, making it a staple resource for the surrounding communities and cities, this enchanted stretch of land is a relaxing and adventurous experience for visitors year-round. From the fantastically color-filled views and scenic drives through the gorgeous countryside and river-fed adventures, visiting nature lovers and locals alike can relish in the one-of-a-kind North American scenery while enjoying some of the area's renowned produce. Boasting hundreds of acres of vineyards in the area, we recommend the local wineries and tasting rooms for a refreshing country experience your taste buds will thank you for. 4. Adirondack Park. Located in northeastern New York, just off Highway 87, this protected forest reserve is an outdoor lover's playground with countless recreational activities and spectacular wilderness. It's no wonder the park takes in close to 10 million visitors annually. With more than 3,400 lakes and ponds, and endless hiking trails along the Adirondack Mountains, the possibilities are endless. From the scenic vistas of Lake Placid, to the abundant waterways and colorful trails through the mountainous terrain. The trail begins wherever you like in the breathtaking wilds of the treasured park. Being a protected wilderness, the mountains and surrounding lakes are a safe haven to many of Mother Nature's beloved inhabitants. Encompassing more than 3,000 square miles of rugged wilderness terrain, it's not hard to get lost in the beauty of such a spectacular region. Thousand Islands. This residential archipelago is a cluster of islands on the United States and Canada border, with more than 1,800 islands scattered amongst the St. Lawrence River. With island sizes ranging from 100 square kilometers to just a few acres, the cost of living in the enriched waterfront property is very expensive. The castle architecture of the homes make for a blissful scenic boat ride through the literal thousands of island properties on the river's charming topography. With waterways open to visitors and informative tours through the area, making Thousand Islands one of the most unique neighborhoods in the entire country. 6. Albany. Founded as the state capital of New York in 1797 along the Hudson riverbanks of the early United States, and being the oldest city in the state. Today, Albany is home to nearly 100,000 residents and boasts many historic features, museums, and recreational opportunities. Known for its rich cultural history and spectacular architecture scattered throughout the quaint 21-square-mile footprint, the city is a welcomed retreat just 150 miles north from the busy streets of the Big Apple and welcomes visitors to experience its unique and strong community-grounded interests and recreational outlets. With its convenient proximity to nearby rivers and state parks, Albany is a restful retreat for the whole family, or great for a quick weekend getaway to one of the state's most spirited, hidden gems. 7. Letchworth State Park. Located in western New York and encompassing more than 14,000 acres of protected landscape, the park follows the river gorge created by the Genesee River. Visitors can experience the best the park has to offer on its roughly 17-mile-long walkways along the river gorge, complete with exhilarating bridged paths over the waters. Or traverse the seemingly endless wilderness trails and take in some of the park's most relaxing features. With campgrounds lining the maintained walkways throughout the park and year-round activities, the Letchworth State Park is a refreshing experience in some of the state's most spectacular wilderness. 8. The Catskills. Spanning more than 700,000 acres in southeastern New York, the enchanted woods and revered Catskill Mountains are some of the most vibrant wilderness in all the state. Known as an outdoor lover's paradise, complete with luxury resorts and endless recreational opportunities, the mountains in this abundant terrain are a tranquil experience for outdoor adventures and offer year-round enjoyment by tourists and locals alike. The town of Catskill is renowned for its links to early folklore and fiction novels, for some of the town's uniquely ominous architecture and spirited tales, and is a welcomed visit to intrepid travelers interested in experiencing some of the state's historical heritage or vibrant wooded landscapes. 9. Watkins Glen State Park. Located at the southern edge of the Seneca Finger Lake, this frequented state park is a relaxing walk through river gorge terrain and impressive waterfall formations. With guided pathways along the edge of the gorge or wooded trails throughout the park's protected grounds, this is one nature enthusiast experience you won't want to miss out on. The calming sounds of rushing water from the cascading waterfalls and the feel of rugged walls that surround you as you delve deeper into Glen Creek make for a refreshing experience as you traverse the misted walkways and scenic views. Being a moderate 1-mile walk through the awe-inspiring gorge, this state park is one of the more accessible outlets for nature lovers to enjoy in the robust and unique landscape of Watkins Glen Village. 10. Buffalo. Being the second most populated city in the state, and located on the eastern edge of Lake Erie, Buffalo is a fantastic sightseeing destination, or vibrant entertainment outlet all in one. Filled with monumental attractions and historic buildings, the city is overflowing with cultural architecture at every turn. With numerous art galleries and museums spread across the metropolitan area, visitors with a taste for inspired interests can eat their hearts out at numerous locations in the bustling city districts. With its historic value and distinguished city landscapes, Buffalo is the perfect retreat into some of the Empire State's most compelling state heritage. Thank you for watching our top 10 best places to visit in New York. How did we do? Did you enjoy the list? If you did, be sure to like and subscribe for more content. Leave a comment below with your thoughts, or if there's anything you think we missed. Until next time. Bye-bye.